If your wiper blades look like this, then it's probably time to replace them. So we're going to replace the wiper blades on our 2006 Corvette. Here is the new blade, and it's got a little pin up underneath here that you push up. This is the original type blade. I bought these from Chevrolet. These on the car are aftermarket replacements. So these have little tabs that are on the side in here, just in this part, and you push them over and then push the blade off, like so. Like that. Then to put the new one on, they just clip right on there. It goes on a little hooky here. Put it in there and pull it, clicks into place. This is the driver's side. It'll probably be a little easier to see. You can see these little clip things. Those have to spread apart, and then they just slide off. Not sure what manufacturer these are, but I'm glad to be putting on the original stuff again. Okay, on the original equipment one, it's got this little air deflector thing on there to keep it flat against the windshield while you're driving. And to put that on, it just goes in here like this, into the little hooky thing, and push. And that's all there is to it.